This is the elevator at Macy's Men, Millwood Mall, Reno, Nevada. Wait until you see what I found here. Okay, Otis, that's right, Otis Lexan. Here we go, installed in 1979. This is amazing. Epic motor. Classic leveling. Okay, go back down to 1. Let's take a look at the call station. This is epic. Just really nice elevator. This thing is very epic. Lexan fixtures. Nothing in there. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Watch it level. Classic leveling. Let's go up to 2. Let's go back up. Look up the shaft here. Epico lanterns. Otis Lexan. Here we go. Okay then. This is just a light. Watch the level. Going down?
Yeah.
This is an original Otis elevator from 1979.
Right. You see how it's acting? It's all messed up.
Here we go.
Look, watch that. Watch when it opens up.
Classic leveling. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Be careful in the elevator.
Okay, there goes and. That's it.